This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure core prerequisites are satisfied. Run Valorant and Riot Vanguard as administrator so permissions aren't the blocker. Next, open services and confirm VGC is running. If it isn't, reinstall Vanguard from the Valorant installer. Once done, close overlays and temporarily disable antivirus or game-changing background apps that can block kernel drivers, because these commonly cause the Van9005 error and prevent Vanguard from initializing correctly. Now you execute the middle steps. Run the Riot client repair tool to fix corrupted files, because missing components can throw Van9005. If repair fails, fully uninstall Vanguard from programs, reboot, and start Valorant to force a fresh Vanguard install. This resets the kernel module correctly. Also make sure Windows and chipset/graphics drivers are updated. Driver mismatches or pending system updates often interfere with kernel mode components, so update and reboot before testing again. Finish by verifying Vanguard actually loaded its driver. Use SC query VGC or check device manager so you know why the error returns. If Van9005 persists, perform a clean boot to eliminate third-party conflicts and reinstall Vanguard while in that minimal state. And if none of this resolves it, collect Riot logs from %localappdata%/Riot games and contact Riot support with Van9005 plus the log files. That lets them pinpoint driver or kernel issues faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.